Can you imagine a 2006 Corvette with just 14,000 miles? That's what you're going to find here. This is a beautiful red 2006 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Coupe, and as we said, just 14,000 miles. Beautiful car, victory red on the exterior, ebony on the interior, and under that hood, 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Factory features include the $4,795 3LT Preferred Equipment Group, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, auto-dimming mirrors, universal garage door transmitter, has those dual power heated sports seats with airbags and compass, has the F55 magnetic selective ride control, a wonderful Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with navigation. Polished wheels look great. It has OnStar, HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start. Has the electric rear hatch pull down as well. Dual zone electronic climate control. Everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, active handling. We always say best of all, comes with a one owner clean Carfax. Remember, all of our Corvettes here are hand-picked. This 2006 Corvette shows, as we said, just 14,363 miles. It is in very nice condition. The paint is good to very good, has a great shine, and those factory polished wheels are in place and look great as well. Additions to this car include the Victory Red center console dash pods, fuel rail covers, and the car features a corrosion-free subframe. Remember, our cars go through a rigorous inspection. All of our certified Corvettes, which this is one of those, are way above average condition for the miles, and they are all fully serviced. Give one of our sales representatives a call here in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do, hit that notification button. You'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, you want to know more about this car, see the pricing, and check out some detailed photos, click the link right below this video. Beautiful Corvette could be yours. It could be in your driveway more quickly than you could ever imagine. Remember, at Buyavette.net, we specialize in online sales. We make it something you can do with ease, more importantly with confidence, and we ship nationwide. A lot less expensive than you might imagine. So give us a call, Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to see or hear from you really soon.